This video is brought to you by Veeniix. Hey everybody, Mac here for OCR Kings, and I wanted to tell you about this amazing drone from Veeniix called the V11Air. It was light and compact enough for me to take with me on my last run, and I was able to capture some really incredible video. More on that in a bit, but right now let's do an unboxing so you can see everything you get with this great little drone. Okay, let's open her up and see what's inside. This is the V11Air drone from Veeniix. It features a 3-axis gimbal with 4K 30 FPS video and 6K stills. It has a 10,000-foot first-person view transmission range with 70 minutes of flight time and GPS smart control. All right, let's pull this out. Very nice. Here's a hard case with dual zippers. Inside, under a piece of foam for extra protection, I can see right away the drone itself. And here's the controller, followed by a battery and a second battery. Inside the pocket here in the case are some spare propellers, charging and connection cables, the manual, etc. Let's go ahead and take these things out of their packages. And there are both batteries. Next is the controller. This thing is pretty substantial. I'm impressed. And we'll go ahead and get that off there. Very satisfying. And the main event, the drone itself. Wow, this thing is really light. Just 12.6 ounces or 357 grams. That is awesome. And there we go. As you can see, you get a lot with the V11Air. Cool. The Veeniix V11Air drone features an upgraded camera with 3-axis brushless gimbal, and it provides smooth, stable video, even in high speed or windy conditions. The 5x lossless zoom enables you to capture more visual details when framing distant scenery without sacrificing image quality. The camera is specifically for aerial photographers seeking higher image quality and more stability. Its improved sensor and advanced high-resolution technology offers you breathtaking 6K images and 4K videos. This way you can explore your world without limitations. The V11 Air comes with multiple flight modes, including cruise control, follow me, orbit flight, waypoint planning, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, it's a breeze to create amazing aerial videos. The upgraded digital transmission system enables the V11 Air drone to deliver exceptional image quality and smoother video stabilization, even at a distance of 10,000 feet. And Veeniix provides a comprehensive 1-year quality warranty. If you have any questions or comments, contact them at any time for drone support, and they will always be there to assist you. So, thank you for watching, everybody. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the Veeniix V11 Air, check out the links in the description below or log on to www.veeniix.com.